Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying ratios worksheet. So this video gives us a simple worksheet where we can go through the process of simplifying given ratios. Now if you're not sure what to do, there's a lesson on this topic, and on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these examples. So let's see what we're required to do. Simplify each of the following ratios. So number one, we have 18 is to 45. Now in the lesson it says that when we are simplifying ratios that contain whole numbers, all you do is you divide each of the numbers by the highest common factor. That is, the highest number that will divide into each of the terms of the ratio. That's how you simplify the ratio if the numbers are whole. So that's what you do for those three. Even though you have three numbers there, it's exactly the same. Find the largest number that divides into each of those, the single number, divide each of those by that number, and that's how you do the simplification. Over here, if you remember the introduction for ratios, we said that each term must be expressed in the same unit. So here we have millimetres and centimetres. So we'll leave it to you to decide how to modify that so we have the same units. And it's the same for this one and that one. You must have the same units for each part of the ratio. Over here we have fractions. Now the lesson says that when you have a ratio in the form of fractions, where the terms are fractions, you look at the denominators. Whatever denominators you have, you look at those and you find the lowest common multiple. That is, what is the lowest number, okay, that both of those will divide into. And then you multiply each term by that number. So it's the same for that. Find the lowest common multiple of 6, 4 and 5. Multiply each fraction by that number. Over here, before you find the lowest common multiple, just change these to improper fractions. That makes it a lot easier. And here, that's very straightforward. Even though you've got 4 fractions, the rules are the same. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice simplifying ratios, whether the ratios are fractions or whole numbers, and we have a lesson to guide us if we need help.